In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your status on WhatsApp web using your laptop. Whether you're looking to share a quick update with your friends or post that awesome vacation photo, updating your status on WhatsApp web can be a straightforward process once you know the ropes. Let's walk through each step clearly and simply. To get started, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. This is the web version of WhatsApp, and it allows you to use WhatsApp on a larger screen, which can be a real game changer for managing your messages and updates. Once you're there, you'll need to make sure you've already synced your phone with WhatsApp web, which typically involves scanning a QR code on your phone. When you have WhatsApp web open, direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. Here you should see various icons, and you'll want to click on the status icon. It looks like a little circle, and it's usually located among your list of contacts and chats. This will take you to the status panel where you can view all the statuses from your contacts and add your own. Now, to add your own status, you'll want to click the plus button. It's conveniently located at the top right corner of your status panel, close to where you might notice a vertical 3-dot icon used for more options. This button is your gateway to beginning your new status creation. Once you've clicked the plus button, you'll face a choice: adding photos or videos, or adding text. If you decide you want to upload a photo or a video from your computer, simply click on Photos and Videos when prompted. Your computer's File Explorer will open up, allowing you to select the image or video you'd like to share. After selecting your photo or video, you'll have the option to add a caption. You'll see a field that says Add a Caption, and this is your space to type whatever you'd like to say about your media. In addition to captions, you can also personalize your status by adding text directly onto the image or video. You can include emojis or stickers from the menu that pops up at the top. If you're feeling particularly creative, try drawing directly on your status for something fun and unique. Once you've made all of your additions and feel satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to share it with the world, or at least your WhatsApp contacts. Simply press the share button, or hit enter if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your status on WhatsApp web. Make sure to check back on your status panel to see any reactions or feedback from your friends. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.